All right, I'm not kidding you here. All right, I want you to turn your head, obviously. Don't sneeze on me.
Okay.
But what does a Dr. Willey sneeze sound like?
Loud, obnoxious, like it's loud.
Me too.
Yeah.
My kids hate it.
Really?
I mean, I literally, because I always think that if I get it all out of me at one, right? Isn't that what you're supposed to do? You're a medical professional.
Get it out of there. That's so funny you said that because I can remember my dad sneezing like that, and I remember thinking, "Is that necessary?"
Right.
And now, like, I don't know if I just do it just to give my kids what I got from him, or if it's like subconsciously I'm trying to get it all out. But yeah,
so my daughters are like this. My daughters are like, and they put they close their nose. It's like I'm like, you are going to explode your brain, right?
Blow out your sinuses.
Yeah, and it sounds like this. It's like, I'm like, what are you doing? Like, you shouldn't do that.
It's you. Yeah.
That is not healthy, right?
I don't think so.
Let it out.
Let it rip.
I don't want to know what anything else sounds like, okay? Because that's gross and disgusting.
And I laid up for you. That was like a 6 out of 10 on the scale. It's a lot louder and more.
Yeah, mine
obnoxious.
are pretty bad too. Like, yeah, I get them all, and I literally go through some severe struggling. So, did you look up the Guinness Book of World Records and sneezes? Because I think I beat the record.
I don't think you did, Bonds. So what I found was this gal sneezed uncontrollably for this many consecutive days. So it's like multiple fits a day for this many consecutive days. You ready?
32 days.
976
There's
days.
no way. That's official.
There's even an ABC News story about this.
What?
From 1981 until 1983, Bonds. Millions of sneezes later, she finally had her first sneeze-free day 2.5 years later.
That's got to be fake.
I don't know, man.
She was doing it for attention.
It says Google said it. It's got to be true.
My gosh. And so was that one sneeze a day or she was constantly sneezing?
This just shows you this is pre-internet. So like in the 80s that somebody would even track this because that wouldn't even track these days.
Right. Yeah, I'm not buying it. I still think I beat the Guinness Book of World Records.
You're a record
sneezing.
holder in my book, man.
All right, man. So listen, we talked a little bit about it on the air, but now we're putting it up on the air, okay? If you are suffering right now this season and you are wondering, man, how can I get some help? I don't know what drugs to take. I don't know what's going to do, what's going to help. You guys can do that at the AlignLife Springfield.
Yeah, because most, like you mentioned, drugs, most over-the-counter products that you would take are antihistamines, which means they block the histamine receptor. That's what releases the allergy sensation that we all associate with allergies. So instead of blocking it and masking it while your body's still producing that histamine, it's got to get out somehow. Finding things that stop the production of histamines in your body in the first place is a more effective, more long-term, and more permanent solution. And acetylcysteine, bromelain, a lot of different natural ingredients are much more effective at blocking the production versus masking the receptor.
All right, 2 important questions, and I don't know if you like me asking these or not, but I don't care because I don't care. Is this going to cost me $185 a bottle to get like 5 pills? And then can I take this stuff when I'm at work when I'm suffering the most because I don't want to fall asleep when I'm doing my job?
Let me answer the second question first. Yes, and actually, when you're cutting the inflammation, you don't get that drowsy, yucky side effect where you're just kind of like floating through your day. It actually helps you be more alert because it's stopping the production of those histamines.
Okay.
So absolutely, you can be as productive as you need to. Price wise, I don't know the exact number. I want to say the bottles are somewhere around $30, $35, something like that.
I can deal with that.
Yeah.
I can deal with that. And so that is found at your practice right here in Springfield. People can go get that today and tell them where they can find you.
We're on Montvale Drive. They can find us on all the socials at AlignLife. And then our phone number is 787-7500. And if they want to just learn more about the nutrients I'm talking about, the line that we carry is called Aceva, A-C-E-V-A. So they can look them online.
Very good. I also I found out an old trick, and it was from my mom. She worked for an ear, nose, and throat specialist for a long, long time. She said if you start feeling that sneeze, and you're like, she said, say watermelon, 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 you will not sneeze.
I got one for you too. So this is an acupuncture point. If you put pressure right where the nose meets in with your lip and you hold pressure there, same thing. Promise you won't sneeze.
Really?
Yeah. They use that as like a revival point. Like if you get knocked unconscious.
Oh, really?
Put a needle right there and wake somebody up.
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah. So I'll try watermelon. You try the finger nail trick. And we'll see
I'll definitely pick my nose for sure to stop sneezing. All right. We'll see you next week, Dr. Willey.
Thanks, man.